Good Friday from Springfield. Lots of things happening. We just ended a veto session at the Capitol this week, and they'll be back in session right after Thanksgiving. But we want to touch base on a completely different issue. We get a question on a regular basis regarding the use of the term physical therapy in advertising for chiropractic physicians. And although it used to be very vague as to whether or not you could use it because it's a protected title in the Physical Therapy Act, but we pressed IDFPR, or the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation, a few years ago on this issue, and we have a letter directly from them that's available actually to all of our members. All you have to do is jump out to ilchiro.org and search physical therapy, and one of the top articles that will pop up is the use and advertising physical therapy in your offices. And so click on that and you actually can get a copy of the letter if you ever would like to see it. But the answer is yes, you can use the term physical therapy in your advertising. Our argument was really actually simple: is you perform those services, you legally perform physical therapy services in your office, you should be able to advertise that you perform physical therapy services in your office. And actually IDFPR, and in the letter, they state that as well, that they completely concur with us on this. And so you are definitely able to use that term. Now, something to be cautious of: you don't want to claim that you're a physical therapist. Not that any of us would, but I do want to call that out and make sure. So if you're advertising that you have a physical therapist on staff, then you want to make sure that you actually have a licensed physical therapist on staff. And so the use of the term physical therapy, not a problem. The use of the term physical therapist would create an issue in advertising. But that's really what we want to cover this week. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next Friday.